Do you ever wonder why schools don't teach us about money? Today, we're diving into 7 incredibly important money lessons that weren't taught to us in school. Let's uncover the secrets that can change your financial future. Lesson 1. Money is tied to value. Ever heard the quote by Zig Ziglar? You can get everything in life that you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want? This simple truth flips the traditional view of money on its head. We're often taught that making money is tied to the job you have, the industry you're in, and your job title. I believed this for many years until I noticed that people younger than me, doing non-traditional jobs, were not only more fulfilled but also earning more. Money's essence is tied to the value you create. The more people you reach and impact with your value, the greater your potential to earn. Look at the world's most successful people. Entrepreneurs, designers, artists. They solve problems or fulfill needs on a large scale. So, don't limit your idea of earning money to traditional employment. If you can find ways to provide real value and impact more people, money will find its way to you in proportion to the value you've contributed. To illustrate this point further, let's look at a few examples. Think about someone like Steve Jobs. He didn't just create Apple. He revolutionized the way we interact with technology, creating immense value for millions of people. Another example is J.K. Rowling, who provided value through storytelling and built a multi-billion-dollar franchise. These individuals focused on providing value, and the money followed naturally. It's also essential to understand that the concept of value isn't limited to creating groundbreaking products or stories. It can be as simple as providing a service that makes someone's life easier or more enjoyable. A local coffee shop that provides excellent customer service and a cozy environment is creating value for its customers. By focusing on how you can add value in your unique way, you open up endless possibilities for financial success. Lesson 2. Develop your own viewpoint. Throughout our education, we're trained to follow instructions and rules, often stifling our ability to think independently. This mindset carries over into adulthood, where we tend to follow what others are doing, assuming they know better. Developing your own viewpoint on finances is rare and powerful. It's easy to get caught up in societal trends. If everyone else is investing in something, upgrading their gadgets, or working a 9-to-5 job, we think we should too. But it's crucial to understand yourself and be confident in your own financial decisions. I haven't upgraded my Apple Watch since 2016 because it works perfectly fine for me. Instead, I prefer to spend money on a cleaner to save time. The key is to be comfortable with your choices, even if they go against the grain. Having your own viewpoint means critically analyzing financial decisions and aligning them with your values and goals. For instance, you might decide to invest in sustainable and ethical companies because you care about the environment, even if they don't always promise the highest returns. Or you might choose to live in a smaller home and drive an older car to free up money for travel and experiences. The important thing is to make informed decisions that reflect your personal values and long-term objectives. Lesson 3. Budgeting is freedom. If a business didn't know its income and expenses, it wouldn't last long. Yet, many of us avoid budgeting in our personal lives because we associate it with cutting back and deprivation. In reality, budgeting is the tool that allows us to plan for financial growth and freedom. Think of budgeting as a roadmap. It helps you say yes to the things that matter, like putting down a deposit on a new home or going on a holiday because you've planned for them. By tracking your finances and being strategic, you can live a more fulfilling life without financial stress. Budgeting also helps you identify areas where you can cut unnecessary expenses and redirect those funds toward your financial goals. For example, you might discover that you're spending a significant amount on dining out each month. By reducing this expense and cooking at home more often, you can save money for an emergency fund, investments, or that dream vacation. Moreover, budgeting provides peace of mind. Knowing exactly where your money is going and having a plan in place reduces anxiety and helps you feel in control of your finances. It's about creating a balance that allows you to enjoy life today while preparing for the future. If you're finding these insights valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow and ensures you won't miss out on any future money tips and lessons. Lesson 4. Spend on assets before liabilities. One of the most eye-opening concepts in Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset makes you money, while a liability costs you money. For example, a rental property generates rental income and is an asset. A car, on the other hand, requires maintenance and expenses, making it a liability. Focus on building assets first. Invest in stocks, bonds, or real estate before spending on liabilities. Many people make the mistake of buying liabilities as soon as they have money, leading to a cycle of working for money instead of having money work for them. By prioritizing assets, you set the foundation for financial independence. To put this into perspective, think about the long-term impact of your purchases. Buying a new car might bring immediate satisfaction, but it depreciates in value and incurs ongoing costs. Conversely, investing in a rental property can provide passive income for years to come, ultimately increasing your wealth. By delaying gratification and prioritizing assets, you can create a more secure financial future. Lesson 5. Your career is your number one money-making tool. Finding a career you love is crucial because it's your primary tool for building wealth. Too many people are unfulfilled in their jobs, believing that it's normal to dislike work. This mindset stems from the notion that we need good grades to get a good job, which is true, but incomplete. Your career should not only provide a paycheck, but also fulfillment. Take the time to explore different paths, even if it means a sideways move instead of a forward one. Finding a balance between passion and income can lead to a more satisfying and prosperous life. Consider the amount of time you spend at work. Over the course of a career, you'll likely spend tens of thousands of hours working. If you enjoy what you do, those hours will be more rewarding and less draining. This doesn't mean you need to find the perfect job immediately. It's about making conscious choices and being open to change as you discover what truly fulfills you. Investing in your education and skills can also enhance your career prospects. Whether it's taking courses, attending workshops, or gaining certifications, continuous learning can open doors to new opportunities and higher income potential. Remember, your career is a marathon, not a sprint. Taking the time to find what you love and investing in your growth will pay off in the long run. Lesson 6. How to save money on taxes. Taxes are a significant part of our financial landscape, yet schools rarely teach us how to optimize our income to save on taxes. Different income streams are taxed differently. For example, employment income is taxed heavily, with rates going up to 45% in the UK. In contrast, business income is taxed lower, and investment income often enjoys favorable tax treatment. Understanding these differences can help you make smarter financial decisions. For instance, contributing to a workplace pension can provide tax deductions, and earnings from stocks or bonds might be taxed at lower rates. By learning to navigate the tax system, you can keep more of your hard-earned money. Tax planning is not just for the wealthy. Even with a modest income, you can take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or ISAs, depending on your country. These accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free or tax-deferred, significantly enhancing your long-term wealth. Additionally, keeping detailed records of your expenses can help you identify deductible items, reducing your taxable income. For business owners, understanding allowable deductions can make a substantial difference in your tax bill. Simple strategies like tracking mileage, home office expenses, and professional development costs can add up to significant savings. Lesson 7. The power of investing. Investing is crucial for building wealth. Consider this. If you invest $1,000 at a 10% return, you can either withdraw the 10% each year or reinvest it. Withdrawing gives you an extra $100 each year, totaling $4,000 after 30 years. But if you reinvest the returns, you'll have over $17,000 after 30 years due to the power of compound interest. Starting early gives you the advantage of time, allowing compound interest to work its magic. The sooner you begin investing, the greater your financial growth will be. To maximize the benefits of investing, diversify your portfolio across different asset classes. This reduces risk and increases the potential for returns. Consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Education is key to successful investing. Take the time to learn about different investment options, understand market trends, and stay informed about economic conditions. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions and adapt your strategy as needed. Furthermore, don't be discouraged by market fluctuations. Investing is a long-term game, and market downturns are a natural part of the cycle. Staying the course and maintaining a disciplined approach will help you weather the storms and come out ahead over time. These 7 money lessons are essential for financial success, yet they are not taught in school. Understanding the value of money, developing your viewpoint, budgeting, focusing on assets, choosing the right career, optimizing taxes, and investing are key to financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know in the comments which lesson resonated with you the most and what steps you're planning to take toward financial independence.